In life, we often react faster than we think. We assume our understanding is complete. We believe that if someone sees things differently, they must be mistaken. But reality is rarely that simple. Most problems don't have just one correct answer. They have layers, context, and hidden details we don't always see. And when we label someone as wrong without listening, or dismiss their words too quickly, we don't just hurt them, we block our own growth. Today's story shows how a single moment and one unexpected explanation can completely change the way we judge others. It's a reminder that a different point of view isn't always incorrect. It may simply be based on information we don't have. So listen closely, because this story carries a quiet but powerful lesson. There was once a quiet suburban town in the Midwest, the kind where everyone knows each other and days follow predictable routines. In this town lived a boy named Noah. Noah was curious, energetic, and always asking questions. He loved riding his bike through the neighborhood and spending afternoons tinkering with gadgets in his garage every morning. With his hoodie zipped up and a backpack slung over one shoulder, Noah walked to school. He enjoyed most classes, especially science and history. But there was one thing that constantly got him into trouble: following instructions exactly as written. Whenever teachers gave step-by-step directions, Noah seemed to do things differently. Not carelessly, not lazily, just differently. Over time, some teachers began to think he wasn't paying attention. One afternoon, during a group activity, his teacher, Mrs. Carter, asked the class to complete a simple task. Each student was given a sealed envelope and told not to open it until instructed. Everyone waited quietly except Noah. Mrs. Carter noticed his envelope was already open. Her expression tightened. She assumed what everyone else was thinking, that Noah once again ignored directions. She walked over and calmly asked, "Noah, why did you open the envelope when I clearly said not to?" The room went silent. A few students smirked, already expecting trouble. Noah looked up, confused. "I didn't open it, ma'am." Mrs. Carter frowned. "Then how is it open?" Noah hesitated, then slowly reached into his backpack and pulled something out. An identical envelope. "This one was already open when you handed it to me," he said softly. "So I waited. I opened the other one." For a moment, Mrs. Carter didn't speak. She checked the envelopes and realized the mistake too had been stuck together. Noah hadn't broken the rule at all. He had followed it carefully, just with more awareness than anyone expected. The class sat frozen. Mrs. Carter took a deep breath and nodded. "Thank you for explaining," she said. "I should have asked before assuming." That day, the lesson wasn't about envelopes. It was about judgment, just like in our own lives. We often believe our perspective is complete, but someone else may be operating with information we don't see. Yes, one path may look correct, but that doesn't make every other path wrong. Different experiences create different answers. So, before deciding someone is careless, wrong, or ignorant, pause, listen, ask questions, because sometimes the person you're judging isn't wrong at all. They just know something you don't. If this story made you think, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Your support helps bring more meaningful stories to life. Thank you for listening. We'll meet again with another lesson worth hearing.